so many reasons to smile, and God is so good.
50 years of life, love, wisdom, and impact. 50 years of being a friend, a wife, a mother.
Blow off your sting, no need to be feeling low. How sweet it is to be alive. Let it go, let it go, let it go. What you don't need, don't take it with you today, no.
And a light in so many people's lives. It's no surprise that everyone here was eager to travel to celebrate this milestone with you because you mean that much to us all.
Right now, it's a brand new day. Yeah. It's a brand new day. Whoa, it's a brand new day. It's a new day. It's a brand new day. Whoa, let it go, let it go, let it go. What you don't need, don't take it with you today, no. Don't you know, don't you know, don't you know? Like a river, you can live your life in free flow. And you can fly with the stars. Did you forget you're a skyscraper? But slow down, look around right now. It's a brand new day. Yeah. It's a brand new day. Whoa, it's a brand new day.
So keep living life to the fullest. And she's sharing your daughters, what you give them is priceless.
And it's amazing to see. I know that prayer works, but the prayers that I pray for you and then I get to see them in fruition, I'm so happy and I'm excited for these next few years, many, many years of your life.
Thank you for never giving up on us. Thank you for bring joy to us, and I hope you feel that same joy today.
You love sunsets and sunrises, and my dream is to be able to show you all the sunrises across the world.
You feel like you feel like a rose within the
Life is good, life is great. Yeah, we're gonna celebrate. Blow a kiss to the sun. Yeah, we're just having fun. We can move with the breeze. Do whatever we please. Everything is as it should be. Life is good.
To thinking, to living, to loving. It's a beautiful thing. And I told you earlier today, for the grandbaby, hey, every day find a reason to smile. Because that's what your grandma would do.
When it's going your way, gotta roll with
Every hug, every toast, every laugh shared tonight is a reflection of the love that you have given so freely to the world.
Life is good, life is great. Yeah, we're gonna celebrate. Blow a kiss to the sun. Yeah, we're just having fun. We can move with the breeze. Do whatever we please. Everything is as it should be. Life is good.
We are toasting to 50 plus years of more smiles, 50 plus more reasons to smile. We're going to keep smiling. Cheers.